In honor of National Philanthropy Day, I want to share my heartfelt gratitude with donors like you who are making an incredible impact here at Ontario Tech University. Because of your generosity, students like me can explore cutting-edge labs, engage in hands-on learning, and connect in collaborative spaces that help fuel our growth and success. Thanks to your support, we have greater access to mental health resources, as well as scholarships and bursaries that ease the financial burden of our education, allowing us to focus on what truly matters, our studies. Your contributions to initiatives like the Chancellor's Challenge and the Women for STEM program significantly enrich the lives of students and play a vital role in shaping the future of the entire Ontario Tech community. Your support inspires and empowers us to make a difference in a tech-driven world. Your generosity motivates us to give back and help shape a future that is brighter, more equitable, and more sustainable. On behalf of all of us at Ontario Tech, I would like to say thank you to our incredible donors and volunteers. Your impact reaches far beyond our campus, resonating through our university and wider community. We are truly grateful.